So what's up everybody? So today I'm here back on my channel. As you see, I switched to English because in Israel we don't have many viewers for this content. So yeah, we are now here in English. So you see I'm back with my Suron Light BX. I did some changes to it, a lot of changes as you see from the last video. And yeah, in the near future, in the close future, next few months, I have a lot more changes to it, so you should subscribe and like for more content. So we are here in my private track today, and I'm gonna be riding a bit and explaining what I did to the bike. So yeah, it should be fun, and let's do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over the bike here. So yeah, I'm gonna start from the front. Okay, so basically I got this 60-19 inch wheels by KKE. They're more durable and purple. That's nice because I love purple, you know. And I got the Dunlop MX50 Freeze tires. They're really nice. I got the Magura MT7 brakes. I like them a lot, but I will change them, yeah. I got the stock rotor in the front for now, but it will be changed in the next month as well. And I got the Fox 40s, as you see. They are bicycle forks, but they are strong for me and I like them. Maybe I will change them in the near future, but it's super expensive, you know. And I got some more stuff I want. And yeah, of course I had to get some titanium bolts by SOSR. Yeah, that's cool. And here I got the black grips. They go nicer with the bike. And of course the prickly direct stem mount and bars. They're really good. Yeah, I love them. They look good as well. And of course in the front here, as you see, I got the EBMX X9000 controller. It's really strong. Thank you for Ben Levy for helping me, and also to Tomer and Matan. Shout out to Matan, upgrade that bitch. Thank you for the kitchen as well. And here I got the Egg Rider display and the Regent throttle, and also the Warp 9 horn button. And here in the front I have a S2 Pro Baja Light. It's really good, also in yellow, so it's different, it's cool, I like it. And yeah, so for now I still got the stock battery, but it will be changed in the next month or two. Yeah, I need more power and range. So let's go to the back. Here I got the Thrill Seekers seat cover. It's really grippy and good, and I designed it, I custom designed it with my number and the last name. So yeah, that's good. And here I got the Fox rear DHX2 shock. It's really nice, yeah, it's better than the stock one, but I think I will change it maybe for the EXT one because it's made for a Suron. And yeah, okay, so if you ride really strongly, you need to upgrade your suspension stuff and of course the linkage. So I got some prickly parts in purple, the triangle, the linkage, bolts, and the peg mounts, of course, for more grip and durability. And in the back here, of course, I had to get, you know, a 16-inch rear tire for more grip. And yeah, it's good by KKE, you know, as the front one. It's a pair. And I got the prickly rear disc guard in purple, and prickly rotor. It's real nice. It's a 220 mil, so it's more brake power. And I got the rear sprocket in 58 tooth by KK as well in purple, so I like it. And I think that's it, so thank you, and I'm gonna keep riding now. And let's go, thank you. Subscribe and like for more content. Okay, so that was the bike as you see. I made some changes to it. It looks and performs a lot better now. And in the near future, in the next months, I'm gonna make some more big changes to it. So keep watching my channel and keep supporting. Sorry for being missing and not uploading videos for a while. Now I'm back, and yeah, I'm gonna be riding a bit. So thank you. Hey guys, thank you for watching until now. That was my riding for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you can comment, it will help me a lot. And that's it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.